Today we will be learning the next type of tense, which is past tense. So we will be learning about the past tense today. So we know that past tense is divided into 4 more subcategories. You know it. One is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. This past indefinite tense is sometimes called simple past tense. Simple past tense. So first we are going to learn about past indefinite tense, and most importantly we are going to learn the structure, you can say the formula of past indefinite tense. So let us try to write the structure of past indefinite tense. The structure of this tense is subject plus verb number 2 plus, here others will come. You can write object also. So this is the structure of past indefinite tense. Now we are going to learn the conjugation. How do you conjugate a certain verb in past indefinite tense? So let us learn it. Now in conjugation we need first person, comes the first, we have the second person here, and just below it we have the third person, and here we have 2 columns. The first column is for singular number, and the second column is for plural number. So as you know, the first person singular number has the subject I, first person plural number has the we as the subject, and second person singular number subject is, you know, it is you, and here also it is you. And what is the third one? Do you remember? What subjects are there?
He, she, it.
Yes, he, she,
it,
and it. And all the other nouns, singular noun will be coming here, and they will be taken together to refer this plural number they. So we have done it. We have written all the subjects here. So this is the place of subject. Now what comes? The verb will come. So we have written all the subjects here. This is the place of subjects. Now we will write directly the main verb given to us. Now we haven't taken the main verb yet. So we are going to take the main verb yet. Suppose the main verb is break. Okay?
okay,
Break will be in present form. It means it will be in verb number 1. And a little while ago we knew What is the second form of break?
Broke.
It is broke. So here I am going to write broke. And here what is the third form of break?
Break. Broke.
It is broken.
Broken.
You have broken the chair, something like that.
Yeah.
And the fourth form is breaking.
Breaking.
So out of these four forms of the verb break, we need the verb number 2. According to the structure of past and definite tense, we need the verb number 2, second form of the verb. So this is the second form of the verb. So therefore, we are going to write here broke. I broke. You can write full stop here. We also broke. You broke. They broke. You broke. He, she, and it broke. They all, he, she, and it, they all take the same verb number 2, broke. Now remember, there is no s added to the verb number 2. Remember, verb number 2 never takes any s. But here, if it is a verb number 1, then remember, this will take s at the end of the verb number 1. But this is not the present indefinite tense. It is the past indefinite tense. And the past indefinite tense allows only verb number 2 in its construction. Understood,
Yes.
my dear boy? So therefore we say the conjugation of the verb break under the past indefinite tense will be like this. In the first person singular number we write I broke. We broke. In second person singular number you broke. And second person plural number you broke, Sam. Third person singular number we have 3 subjects, but they will all take the same verb number form, to broke, and plural one they broke. Okay, so have you finished it?
Yes.
So these 3 will take the sum now. So very good. Now we are going to write another conjugation for another verb. So let us take the verb go. If I write go here, the present form of the verb go is go. And if I write a second form of the verb go, it will be
Went.
went. And the next verb number 3 will be gone.
Gone.
And we have breaking, sorry. It is
Going.
going in verb number 4. Now, since this is in present past indefinite tense, we need this second form of the verb, right? So if I take verb go, then what will be the conjugation? So we are going to write it like this. Now this time we are not going to write any person, or we are not going to write any singular or plural number. Just we are going to write the subject here. This is the first person singular number. Then we know we is the singular, not singular. It is the first person plural number. Next we have singular is you, and we have you in the second person. Third person is he, or you can say she, and it can be it. Then we write the they in the plural. Okay. Now we are going to write the conjugation. What will be the conjugation? Look, what will be the verb form of go? We need verb number 2 here. Look, this is the 2, went. So therefore I am going to write I went, we went, you went. Please try to write the full stop here. You went and they went. So this is the conjugation of the verb go in past indefinite tense. Okay, I hope that you have understood, and let us move on to the next concept.